Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Tesla price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Let's take a look at Tesla for the all-time history, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finished wave 1 or a wave A, ABC correction for a wave 2 or a wave B, and we're looking to an impulse toward the upside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished exactly at this top, finishing wave C or a wave 3, and that means of course with a wave C you have finished a wave A. And this means, of course, it can be an ABC3 corrective wave where you finished a wave A and you're looking for a wave B, which it might be, of course, an expanding flat here. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, hitting the 1.38, 1.618, and then start to move towards the upside again for a wave C. In case you are in an impulse, 1, 2, 3, and then you're looking for a wave 4, it is the same scenario. And as you can see, both case scenarios are unfolding the same corrective wave. In case you are in wave 4, you're looking for a wave 5 after it, of course, and you're looking for this expanding flat. Now, what is the difference between two scenarios? The difference between the two scenarios is the probability. The probability goes, of course, for 3 corrective waves in a wave A rather than a wave 3, and that because, of course, this impulse has hit exactly the 1-to-1 fib level at 264, and from there it has started, of course, as this corrective wave, and meaning, of course, 1-to-1 fib level is higher possibility that you finished ABC rather than a wave C, which it should reach at least the minimum requirement as a 1.27 for a wave 3. Therefore, higher probability here goes, of course, for the scenario where you are looking for a wave B actually between the $70 and the $50 for a Tesla. Now, if we dive a little bit deeper inside this area where we are looking at, of course, this corrective wave, which it might be, of course, an expanding flat. The expanding flat has to be, of course, a wave C as an impulse, and this is exactly what we have right now. We have a double 1, 2 here for an impulse. You're looking for a wave, massive wave 3 toward the downside, and then 4 and a 5. Your wave 3 is represented as a double 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, meaning the main wave 3 is not finished yet, and which is, of course, in the yellow scenario. As you can see, here you have a 1, 2, and you're looking for a wave 3, which it might be finishing here as an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave 3. And therefore looking for a 4 and a 5, and then again one more move towards the downside as a 4 and a 5 again, because you have a double 1, 2s here. So these are the possibilities right now where we are looking, of course, to finish this wave C, and it might be, of course, that it might move even lower than this, because our target for the scenario is, of course, the $50 to $70. And in a bigger view, as we saw, of course, the expanding flat as a wave C, you would like to reach, of course, this blue zone here, where you have, of course, a potential scenario of a wave C. And basically you might see, of course, here a wave 3 and then 4 and a 5, maybe extended wave 5 to finish this impulse, or it's gonna be considered as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, ending diagonal, of course, for a wave C to finish inside this blue box. So yeah, these are the possibilities right now. If we dive deeper inside the 1-hour chart for the current price action for today, we are looking potentially, as we said here, for this wave 5 unfolding as a zigzag for the wave 1 and zigzag for the wave 2 here. You're looking for another zigzag for a wave 3, so higher potential here is to continue the downtrend. Of course, as you can see, the triangle was broken here, and of course, or unfolding a move toward the downside, which it might be, of course, an A, B, and a C for the zigzag. And this is, of course, a start for the impulse here, where you see a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially, it can be even a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It means this only a wave 1 can be very, very possible, guys. So basically, I would say the next target, if we want to get closer for a wave 3 here, this might be your target as well. So here we go. If we have a wave 3 as a diagonal here, we are looking potentially for this scenario. So it is not really necessarily to move aggressively like this toward the downside. It can be also, of course, between this blue box here, the perfect fib level for a wave 3, simply taking the low here and looking at this following a diagonal 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Very, very possible. It's not necessarily, guys, of course, to take this. Just by simply taking the low here is more than enough, of course, for a wave 5 to be finished. And then, of course, wave 3 in the yellow, and then continuation for wave 4 and a 5 again towards the downside. So basically, and in general, Tesla did not show any kind of recovery yet. We are still, of course, impulsive toward the downside, and we might be, of course, in a ending a diagonal for a wave 5. That was it for Tesla. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.